Hello and welcome back to another cocktail recipe video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Reswold and I post videos on cocktail recipes, bar reviews, distillery tour and whiskey reviews. In this video, I'm going to whip up an alcoholic cocktail for all you dessert lovers. So let's get started. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Today I'm going to make a mudslide which is based with coffee liqueur, Baileys, vodka, ice cream and chocolate cream. And this is a blended cocktail, guys. So let's get started. So take your blender, add about 45 to 40 ml of your spirits. You can use any preferred spirits that you have at home. So 40 ml of your vodka, 40 ml of your coffee liqueur, and 40 ml of your Baileys. The quantity can differ according to your size of your glasses. So I'm doing 40 because the size of my glass. There you go. Okay, so add some ice. And add your vanilla ice cream. So this is going to be a nice creamy cocktail. So you got to add a scoop or two. So now you got to blend this ice cream, guys. Give it a nice blend. Okay, so before we put it in the glass, and you can use any preferred glass that you have at home. So take your glass and take your chocolate syrup or whichever one you have and give it a nice little design to it. So this could be a garnish for your drink. See? So take your creamy little cocktail and just pour it in the glass. There you go. And you could just add another scoop of ice cream. So to add an extra garnish to it, so add a wafer or some choco chips according to what you have at home. Oh, this has come nice packed. Another package. This is packed well, guys. This is interesting. I think I might have to try another one. That's good. Got a lot to finish here. Oops, I forgot that I got a garnish to drink. Oh my god. So add as many as you want. And take a cherry, skip it over it. So take your chocolate sauce and just put it over it. There you go. Now, of course, don't forget to add your straw. That looks amazing, guys. So guys, cheers. That's your mudslide with a creamy dessert cocktail. And thanks for watching. Leave a like and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to see in the next videos. And if you do want to see a variations or any other dessert cocktails, do drop me a comment. And that's a wrap for the video, guys. Peace and enjoy.